Step 1. Lay out one each of A. Base support, B. Left support, and C. Right support, with the two supports forming a V shape to the base. Secure the two supports using two of the J 2 1/4 inch hex bolts. Repeat this for the opposite side. Step 2. Take part D support bed and insert into the lower slots of one of the sides from step 1. Secure using two H 1 1/4 inch hex bolts. Step 3. Take the 4 E side slats and insert into the 4 slots on the top side of the support bed. Then cap the slats with two F top cross supports. Secure onto the side supports using two H 1 1/4 inch hex bolts. Step 4. Now add to the other side that was built in step 1 and secure using 4 H 1 1/4 inch hex bolts. Step 5. Finally, flip the rack over and insert the 4 G castors into the 4 holes seen on the bottom of the base supports. Push in firmly to secure.